So when you go to either the Goodman Business Toolbox or the Amana Brand Business Academy, the first thing that's going to pop up is a box with 3 different areas that you can go into. You can go into the dealer section, the distributor section, or the TSM section. And for purposes of this broadcast, we're going to focus on the dealer section. So you would go ahead and click dealer, and that's going to bring you to a panel that has 6 different sections for you. In those 6 different sections, you have view, training, schedule, and register. This is all of the upcoming workshops that we have. And our coaches have worked very diligently in putting together workshops that you can register for and that you can participate in. And when you go there, you'll see that EGIA has a lot of financing workshops available for you. I know I'm working with the Power Selling Pros teams on some customer service workshops, and we're working with NCI. I'm putting some stuff together. Coach Tom has put together from the HVAC Coaching Corner the virtual selling workshop, which is going to be starting in May. I would encourage you to get involved in that, and he can talk to you a little bit more about what's going to be covered there. In the next section that you go to our curriculum, this has all of the different workshops that we do have available and the curriculums that we've developed with the help of all of our coaches. And it's divided up into 4 different sections. We have business training, sales training, technician training, and technical training. Here you can request various different workshops, and we're doing a couple of different things. Hopefully, as things start to open up, we will start looking at hosting live events again back at our various locations. But as we have locations where maybe we can't do it live, we're also looking to start doing more and more virtual training that you can register for and have available. So as we see the demand for workshops coming in and you request this workshop, we'll work with our coaches and our team to put together the training resources that you need out in the field. The next section is our team of educators. And this has a list and bios of all of the different educators that have contributed to help us put together the various different workshops that we have available for you. In the bottom right-hand corner of every screen, you'll see a black box and it says Ask a Coach. If you click on that, it's going to bring up a panel. And in that panel, you will see the different coaches that we have available for you to be able to contact and schedule an appointment to do one-on-one consulting with them. And so I would encourage you, as you're navigating these times, go ahead and click on this box and schedule appointments with the various different coaches to go through different challenges that maybe you're having in your business, or maybe just to bounce a couple of different ideas off, or maybe you're looking for some solutions and hoping somebody can point you in the right direction. And so this gives you a great resource to be able to access the coaches directly. It ties right back into their calendars, and you can put an appointment on their calendar and set up that time to be able to work with them and find the solutions to the problems or challenges that you're facing today. In our training resources, we've developed a catalog of many different things for you to be able to go ahead and download, or for you to be able to watch as a team, do some on-demand training, if you will. And so all of the Thriving in the New Normal series are located, and if you click there, you can see all of the previous recordings that we have. We have our different publications available, and so we have ebooks there, we have magazines, and we have various other resources. The scripts that Brigham has been referencing from week to week are there for you to be able to download and get access to all of that information. And then we have web apps and digital tools that you can access and download to be able to use in your business. And David Holt's going to be talking about some of those tools that are available for you today. But then we have all of our series of various videos and trainings that you can watch at your own time that are available for you and your team to take advantage of and use as we take this time to get into education and develop our skills as we start to open the country back up. And then last but not least, we have our strategic alliance groups. And so if you're part of a strategic alliance group, this is a great access to be able to get into their information. If you're not, this lets you be able to take a look at all of the various different strategic alliance groups that Goodman and Amana participate with. and learn more about the different resources they have available and see if one of these groups may be a good fit for your business or your organization. What I'd like everybody to do now is if you could go ahead and pick up your phones, and I want you to open that up and go to contacts. And so when you go into the contacts section of your phone, I want you to go ahead and click Create New Contact. And once you do that, in the name or the company section, I want you to put Goodman Business Toolbox. In the phone number section, I want you to put the 713-856-1853. And then in the email section, I want you to put gbtb@goodmanmfg.com. And then for the URL, type in either www.goodmanbusinesstoolbox.com or www.amanabrandbusinessacademy.com. And once you have that saved in there, go ahead and save that contact.